Merry Christmas, Christian. Merry Christmas, Christian. Merry Christmas, Christian. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. We're finally home. We have it in our grasp. The new Nintendo Switch OLED white version. And we are about to unbox this sucker right here now. Let's take a look at the box real quick. I'm sure you guys have probably seen this already many of times. Let's just get to the goods, shall we? So let's see, how do we open this? Looks like there's no knife or scissors needed. The box is significantly smaller than the OG. I don't know how to open this. I don't want to rip it. Okay, I am totally looking at the wrong area here. It's this easy. It's at the bottom here. Let's pull this bad boy out. Oh, the top opens up. We got the flip lid. Ooh. Here we go. Here we go. So you're greeted to that screen, that beautiful screen, which you can't really see how beautiful it is right now. And those beautiful white Joy-Cons that I really wanted. Let's take out, let's see what we do here first. Let's just connect it. There's one. You got your cables. Yada yada yada. We've all seen cables. They look the same as they always have. And then, what is this? Oh, I forgot. I forgot about this. I haven't used these things in so long. I forgot they come with the system. Well, no, we have another one. And then the dock, the beautiful white dock. So that's the box. You guys have seen the box. You don't need to see it anymore, right? Got the Japanese version here, obviously, because we are in Japan. And then here are the little thingies. Don't know what they're called. They go to the controllers. They're just the black ones. White and white would have been kind of cool, right? But whatever. Got the black ones. Let's take a look at the system here. Ooh, why am I putting this on top of the screen? Don't want to do that. Okay. What are we gonna look at first? Let's look at the Joy-Cons. So I just picked this baby up on release date. Pretty sweet. I won a lottery actually here in Japan. You can't like just wait for high ticket items like this, things like the PS5 and this. You can't just like first come first serve, wait in line, or even reserve it really. You have to join a lottery, sign up for a lottery, and then if you win the lottery, that means you won the opportunity to buy a Switch. So it was actually my first time doing it. I've never signed up for a lottery before. I signed up for like 7 of them at 7 different stores, and I won one of them. So I was pretty surprised and happy. The odds aren't very good because there's a lot of people here. Here's the white Joy-Cons. These babies look good. The ghost white. Boo, boo. Spooky, spooky, just for Halloween. I feel like they feel a little bit different. Do they feel the same? Or is this just the new? But I had the Zelda new ones not too long ago. Something feels like matted or something. I don't know. But there you go. The white babies. White babies, that's a weird word to say right now. And then let's take out the screen. So this is what you really come for, right? I mean, this is what's different. The big difference is the OLED screen as opposed to the LED, right? Which is that baby right over there. Let's pull this out. Ooh, and there we go. That is nice. So it's pretty decently larger. You definitely can notice it. Got this light right above me. It's not helping. And then it's trying to see how much I can tell the screen is different. Definitely tell it's glassy. And the best part of it'll be when you turn it on. So let's put the Joy-Cons in here real quick. Just get the complete look. Bazow! And one more. Ooh, it smells so good. It's that brand new factory smell. It smells really good. It's like a new car. Okay, ooh, this looks nice. I like this. This looks really nice in person. And the back feels different too. It is like matted or something. Speaking of the back, you got the new kickstand. There's less stuff written on the back here than the original ones, if I can remember correctly. Other things are the same, I think. Power buttons. Is that a different shape? Volume, headphones, game card there. Down here, you know, the plug up to dock power source. Thingy, hole, pluggy thingy. And then the kickstand, which we're definitely going to try that out. Let's look at the dock real quick here. We got the dock. Ooh, everything just looks very sleek. This whole thing just looks, man, it looks so classy. So this is the new dock. It's a bit different. I'm sure you've probably seen plenty of like talkabouts and things. Talkabouts, is that what they call it on YouTube? But people going through it, so I'm not gonna go through all the specifics of it. But yeah, you got the LAN adapter there, and it's a nice color. I like this color. It's gonna pop. And right next to my PlayStation, my white PlayStation 4. White on black. Bam. That's the dock. Let's check out the kickstand real quick here. Let's see what the kickstand can do. Show me what that kickstand do though. So this is much different than the previous kickstand, which is pretty sucky kickstand. It's currently holding that switch up over there. It's probably on its last leg trying to do it. How does this even open up? Okay, oh, okay, there's resistance to it. Oh, this is the whole thing. It's got hinges and everything. This is like a real kickstand. Okay. I dig that. SD card slot there, which we're gonna have to exchange in a minute here from the old Switch. And let's put this mug down with the kickstand. I like it. Okay, yeah, I mean that's a million times better, a million times more sturdy, a million times more better than the other one. Like you can legit play in tabletop mode this way. And I've used the old one in tabletop mode on an airplane, so goes all the way back. Now I heard you could stand it, tate mode as they call it. Stand it on its side. Let's try taking one of the Joy-Cons off here and see. But you can kind of stand it up like this. Oh, you can. Because some games, you know, play like that. Ooh, okay. Yes, sir. All right. Well, this baby's looking sweet. Let's see. What are we gonna do next? Let's take a look at it with some different Joy-Con combinations. I mean, it's probably not gonna look a huge amount of difference because you know, it still basically looks the same. It's just the screen. It's a different screen, so. I don't know how much you'll be able to tell, but let's take a look anyway. What it looks like with different Joy-Cons, shall we? All right, well there you have it, the mix and matching of the controllers. Now let's turn this baby on and get a little look at the screen here. Hopefully we got some power in here. I really got to find a place without a huge light right above my head to film it. Woo! You can already tell though. That's bright. That's crisp. All right, and there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Switch OLED, new Switch OLED in white. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. Like, subscribe, comment, you know, all those things. Leave a message. in the comments. Let me know if you're planning on getting this. If you already got it, what do you think about the whole thing? It is a thing of beauty. And, well, I love to chat with you peoples more, but, I got things to do.